Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I will show how to access quick shortcut on Excel file. So now I am open just one Excel file and empty sheet. So I'm just click upside and quick access button and customize your quick access too. So click right button click and just access new documents. So I'm just click and open new empty documents and click redo and redo my old database. Okay, so this is height and go black. Okay, and just click again tools and open file. So email file, spelling, now quick point, print. So guys, now I am select all quick shortcut on database. So more comment and just copy file. Okay, and click more column and show delete cell. Okay, so if you want to need any documents, so I'm just font and click OK. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel and goodbye, see you next time.